Nestled in the Kunlun Mountains in China's Xinjiang, Shiheshu Township is enveloped by majestic peaks and challenging roads. For years, a dedicated convoy of vehicles has been ensuring the safe passage of students here between school and home. The convoy was carrying students free of charge to their boarding school in Yecheng County ahead of the spring semester, which began in February. It was led by 2 police vehicles and escorted by an ambulance to ensure the safety of the students.
每年把我们送到学校，做着免费的倒把吃。
Meni 3 balam bazada okuydu. Hazır mektepten orunlaştırgan maşinada ders apırıp ekelemeyiz. Bir xatarlikini ensiremeyiz.
Teachers, village officials, traffic police, and doctors were also part of the convoy, working together to ensure the students could travel without concern.
为了让这个西河秀这个大山里面的孩子能接受这个更好的这个教育，然后呢，我们这个在充分听取并征求家长同意的基础上呢，我们将这部分学生呢搬到了县城上初中，让他们接受这个更好的教育。这个运输费用平均每个学生呢是540块钱，这个经费呢都是由这个财政呢予以保障。交通部门呢在这个全县范围内，这个选派这个车况最好的车辆，以及这个经验最丰富的驾驶员参与护学。
The trip from Shiheshu Township to the county seat is over 120 kilometers long, navigating through snow-capped mountains with an altitude of nearly 4,000 meters.
然后沿途的警力对这个大型这个货车进行一个管控，让我们安全的通行。
Thanks to these efforts, none of the 1,339 students from Shiheshu dropped out of school, and many students from the remote township have been admitted into universities in various parts of China.